at your local wrench head, and what I'm doing today is I am finishing up the last portion of my secondary air delete. Well, I'm going to say I'm finishing up, but I'm doing a piece that is at the end of the directions that isn't listed anywhere in any of the parts manuals, and that would be installing this 10 watt 330 ohm resistor. I bought a pack of these, and you're gonna have to wire it in to here between these two wires. And what that will do is that will help to control the fuel feed to your motor, so that you don't drown the motor in fuel when you're driving at higher speeds or even at startup, since you no longer have the secondary air system to dilute it. So I'm gonna do that. I'll come back and show you what the end results are, and then the next step will be taking off the secondary air pump, which I'm not doing today. It's just, you know, here we go. There is the relay in. Don't mind the background noise. Kids need to go to bed. So, but here you go. You got your relay, your 10 watt, 330 ohm relay taped up, wired in at an angle so that it can accommodate both wires. And then electrical tape all up and down that bad boy.
All right, everybody. So I finished the install, putting everything back together, and I took the Jetta on a test drive. So outside of having to monitor my coolant level for a couple of days until she fills back up, initial startup was good. It does idle pretty rough. That will be taken care of with a tune, which I hope to get hopefully in the next 2 to 3 months, once I narrow down exactly which one I'm gonna get. I am gonna be getting the muffler installed as the next portion, and possibly looking for a aftermarket upgraded side mount intercooler as well. So, but overall, the install is not very hard. You just got to pay attention to what you're doing. Take your time. I will be linking the instructions on how to do it in the description. So anybody can do it. You just take your time. And like I mentioned several times throughout the video, doing the breather hose kit, whether it be the makeshift one or the 034 one, it's much easier to get all those components out and clean things up once your intake manifold is off and out of the way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope whatever you saw helped you out. Just to reiterate, this is for the AWD Volkswagen Jetta Mark IV motor. All right, deuces.